My name is Anna Pliego, and I'm the events specialist in the Office of Student Life and a proud College of DuPage graduate. I'm very excited that the campus is now fully open, and I want to invite you to join us this fall at COD. With more than 170 certificates and over 50 areas of study, we can help make attending COD a reality. Whether you want to be a 5-star chef, renowned doctor, acclaimed actor, or master mechanic, College of DuPage is here for you. Don't be afraid to dream big! If you're a new student, go to cod.edu/apply. And if you're a returning student, go to myaccess.cod.edu and sign up for your classes today. As the entire college plans for the upcoming year, it's time for you to start planning as well. We look forward to seeing you this fall.